AdWords is the worst product I have ever tried to work with. Even if I follow a tutorial, there are 100 things that are wrong. Wow, okay. Even a simple notification from Google can have your entire campaign deleted. Everything with AdWords is so sloppy and ends up in days and weeks of wasted time. Well, Corey, you are absolutely entitled to your opinion, but I would strongly disagree with it because what you've written, I totally don't agree with it. So the first one is the worst product I've ever tried. Um, okay, so what are you comparing against with Bing or LinkedIn ads? I'm not sure. Even if I follow a tutorial, there are 100 things wrong. Can you be a bit more specific? Because I've not had any experience of so many things which are wrong. And Google will never ever delete anything from your account, to be honest with you, unless and until you've given them in writing, which they have, a form that you have given them permissions to make changes to your account. Then yes, they will, but they will never go in and anything gets changed or deleted. And AdWords is so sloppy. Are you sure you don't? I have a feeling you work for Bing or LinkedIn or something like that. But there you go. So yeah, I mean, you know, you have your own opinions about Google Ads. Google Ads is the world's biggest advertising platform. You cannot get away from it because every business owner needs it, and you just cannot live without it if you want to put your business, products, or services in front of others.